Hello kids, today we are moving on to the next section, set square, and how to construct a perpendicular line to the given line at the point on the line. Okay, first and then construct the line parallel to the given line at point on the line. Okay, here first set square. Set square, what is the set square? The set square is the two triangle shaped. Okay, the set square is the set squares are two triangle shaped instruments in the geometry box. Here this is the set square. Okay, this is the one. Okay, the set square are two triangle shaped. Okay, here this is one, this is one, this is another one. Okay, two triangle shaped instruments in the geometry box. Each of them has the right angle. Okay, each of them has a right angle. So here this is the, okay, this is right angle. Okay, each of them has the right angle. Set square has 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree, and the other set square has 45 degree, 90 degree. Okay, the perpendicular edges, here this is the perpendicular. Okay, perpendicular edges, the perpendicular edges are graduated in centimeter. The perpendicular, here this is here, see this is the perpendicular edges. The perpendicular edges are, okay, the perpendicular edges are graduated in centimeters. Okay, here what is the perpendicular? Perpendicular means if the perpendicular from P, okay, here P meets at, if the perpendicular from P meets AB at Q, here draw one line AB. Okay, AB, P. That is any point. Okay, any point on P, anywhere. This is P. If the perpendicular from P meet AB, okay, meet AB at Q. Okay, meet AB at Q. Point Q is called the foot of the perpendicular from P to AB. Okay, foot of the perpendicular from P to AB, and the symbol, here the symbol, this is mean the symbol. Okay, the symbol means is perpendicular to. Okay, this is perpendicular to. Okay, perpendicular to. That is PQ perpendicular to AB. Okay, PQ perpendicular to AB. So this represent a PQ perpendicular to AB. Okay. Next we are move on to the exercise 4.2. Question number 1. Draw a line segment AB equal to 7 cm and mark a point P on it. Draw a line perpendicular to the given line segment. Okay, here first we have to construct. Okay, first we have to write the construction. Okay, the construction, here there are 4 steps. Okay, here there are 4 steps. It is very simple. Solution, first draw a segment. Okay, draw a segment AB, that is such that AB equal to 7 cm. So 7 cm, and took a point P anywhere on the line. So here anywhere on the line. So this P. Okay, the point P. Next step 2. Place the set square. So here the set square, this is the set square. So place the set square. Okay, place the set square anywhere. Place the set square on the line in such a way that the vertex, okay, this is a vertex which form the right angle. Okay, vertex which form the right angle coincide with the P, and one arm of the right angle coincide with the line AB. One angle of the right coincide with the line AB. Okay, so here draw the line PQ through P. Okay, so draw the line PQ. So here draw the line PQ. using the set square. Okay, so here so draw the line. Okay, draw the line P. This is Q. Okay, this is Q. PQ through P along the other arm of the right angle to the of the set square. Okay, right angle of the other set square. Okay, so here it is form the right angle. So it will form the right angle. So okay, right angle. Okay, the line PQ. So therefore the line PQ is perpendicular to AB. The line PQ is perpendicular to AB at P. Okay, at P. So hence PQ perpendicular to AB and the right angle triangle means it is 90 degree. Okay, 90 degree. Therefore APQ and BPQ. Angle APQ equal to APQ equal to BPQ. So BPQ equal to right angle triangle 90 degree. So it is 90 degree. Okay. The next question number 4. Draw a line segment 7.8 centimeter and mark a point B above it at a distance of 5 centimeter. Through B, draw a line parallel. Okay, here this is parallel. Okay, parallel to the given line segment. Okay, draw the line segment 7.8 centimeter. So using a scale, draw a line segment PQ equal to 7.8 centimeter. Okay, 7.8 centimeter. So carefully draw the okay, 7.8 centimeter. So here PQ equal to 7.8 centimeter and then place the set square. Okay, placing the set square in such a way that the vertex of the right angle coincide. Okay, placing the set square such a way and then okay, sorry. PQ equal to 7.8 centimeter and mark a point. Okay, mark a point anywhere on the line. So here mark the point. Here this is okay. Mark a point B above it. Okay, so mark the point. Mark a point A on the mark the point A on the line. So here the line A. Okay, mark the point A on the line and then placing the set square such a way the vertex of the right angle coincide with A and one of the edges of right angle lies along the line segment PQ. Okay, so mark the point B such that AB equal to 5 centimeter. So here draw PQ equal to 7.8 centimeter and mark a point A anywhere on the line and then place the set square in such a way. So here place the set square. Okay, place the set square. Here the set square, place the set square in such a way. So here the distance at of 5 centimeters. So distance at of 5 centimeter. Here the vertex of the right angle coincide with A and one of the edges lies along PQ and then mark the point R. Okay, mark the point. Okay, mark the point AB equal to 5 centimeter. So mark the point 5. So here mark the point 5 centimeter. Okay, mark the point 5 centimeter. The name B. Okay, the point name B. Okay, and then place the scale and the set square as shown. Okay. Place the scale and the set square. Place the scale and the set square. How to be placed? So here place the scale and place the scale and the set square. Place the scale and the set square. Slowly. Slowly move the set square to upward. So slowly move the set square. Here the point A. Here the point it is A. Place the set square and move on the set square. So here this is so simply. So here we draw the line. We draw the line. Here we draw the line. The line BC is parallel to PQ. So the line BC parallel to PQ. Therefore, that is BC parallel. The symbol parallel. The symbol this is represented as a parallel to PQ. So just I recall it. First, using the scale, draw the line PQ 7.8 centimeter and mark A anywhere on it. Mark the point A anywhere on it on the line and place the set square. Place the set square in such a way. Place the set square and the distance at 5 centimeter. So mark 5 centimeter. Therefore mark the point B. So therefore AB equal to 5 centimeter and then place the scale and set square. Hold the scale firmly and slide the set square. Slide the set square along the edges. Slide the set square along the edges of the scale. Other edges touches the point B. Draw the line. Draw the line BC. Draw the line BC. Draw the line BC to BC. And then the line BC is parallel